more personal context after that raise the roof moment for you? Ano ba ang pinaka-pinangahawakan mo na advice?
Well, alam mo, in my position kasi, comparison will always be there. You know, my brother's in the KBL. Ako, no one really rooted for me, dude. When I was going to the draft, expecto, sa late second round ako, ganyan. But, you know, parang from that day, everything changed eh. Parang, I saw it to myself na it's a challenge, you know, to keep getting better every day, man. And props yan sa tatay ko. Hindi ko man lang nakuha yung height niya. Mas malakas ako sa tatay ko, low-key, para sa buhat and shit. So, pero yung, kita niyo naman yung tatay ko, grabe yung dedication. Maybe every game, gusto niya magpakamatay. Gusto niya magpakamatay for the ball. And ako, I'll never achieve what my dad achieved. Ano na yan, it's set in stone. Pero every time I'm in the court, bigyan ako ng chance si coach. I'm just to represent myself, him, my family, in the best way that I can. So, you know.
At this point, we're opening the floor to the media.
Sean, congratulations. Sean, nung yung dunk mo, nung may opportunity ka nung unang, describe mo lang yung nagkaroon ng opportunity to score that dunk.
Actually, sobrang funny bro. Yung siguro mga 2 minutes, sinabihan ko si Santi, okay na, panalo lang kami. Sabi ko, Santi, gusto ko makadunk. sinabi ko to coach, tanong mo pa si Santi. Tapos yung nakita ko 30 seconds left. Pag sumut kaya ako, magagalit kaya yung other team mo si coach. Sabi ko, why not just go for it? Then, ayun, tapos nakita ko, bro, every day, I've been planning that scenario in my head na gusto ko makadunk. First dunk ko in the PBA. So, thank God na nangyari doon din. Parang nagalit. So, yun. Tapos nagulit pa ako best player. So, added bonus yun. yun lang.
Parang importante pa yung dunk. Punta sa dunk yung usapan.
Oo, dapat impress kasi. Yun ang kailangan eh.
Coach.